Ever noticed cracks between RCC and masonry? They're usually due to differential movements caused by either structure settlement or differential thermal expansion. Don't fret, they're non-structural and can be fixed using polymer-modified mortars and glass fiber mesh to boost tensile strength. Here's how. First, remove existing plaster 150 millimeters on both sides. Then cut a groove and open up the existing crack. After, remove all loose materials and debris and air below the area. Pre-wet the surface with water to reach SSD condition. Now prepare cement mortar and add SBR latex as per specified dosage, mixing with a paddle mixer for a uniform mix. Use this polymer-modified mortar to seal the opened crack. Place glass fiber mesh or GI chicken mesh at the interface and fix it in position with nails. Apply the SBR polymer-modified mortar on the mesh and finish the surface. Finally, cure the surface with water. Simple, right? That's your quick fix for cracks between RCC and masonry.